Understanding and accurately filling out payroll tax forms is a crucial responsibility for any business owner with employees. These forms ensure that the correct amounts of taxes like federal income tax, Social Security, and Medicare are withheld from employee paychecks and remitted to the appropriate government agencies. Intuit QuickBooks Payroll aims to simplify this often complex process, offering tools to help you manage these obligations efficiently. Let's walk through the process, assuming you're a beginner using QuickBooks Payroll. QuickBooks Payroll offers different levels of service, which determine how much automation you get with tax forms. However, the fundamental information and steps remain consistent. Number 1. Initial setup and preferences. Gather your information. Before you even think about forms, ensure all your company's and employees' details are accurately entered into QuickBooks. This includes your company's legal name, address, and federal employer identification number. Fine. Each employee's full name, address, social security number, SSN, hire date, pay rate, and their W-4 information, which determines their tax withholdings. Your state unemployment insurance, SUI, rate, and any other state or local tax account numbers. Choose your payroll tax preference in QuickBooks. Navigate to Settings, often a gear icon, and then Payroll Settings. Look for the Taxes and Forms section and select Edit. Here, you'll decide how you want to handle your taxes. Automate taxes and forms. If you want QuickBooks to automatically pay your taxes and file your forms for you. This is the easiest option and highly recommended for beginners, as it significantly reduces the risk of errors and missed deadlines. I'll initiate payments and filings using QuickBooks. You'll use QuickBooks to calculate and prepare the forms, but you'll manually initiate the payments and filings yourself through QuickBooks. I'll pay and file the right agencies through their website or by mail. QuickBooks will track the amounts, but you'll handle the entire payment and filing process outside of QuickBooks. This is the most hands-on approach. Select your preferred option and click Save, then Done. Number 2, setting up federal, state, and local taxes, if not already done. QuickBooks will guide you through setting up your federal, state, and local tax information. You'll need to enter things like account numbers / fines. These are your unique identification numbers with the tax agencies. Deposit frequency. How often you're required to pay your taxes, e.g., quarterly, monthly, semi-weekly. This is determined by your total tax liability. Rates. For taxes like state unemployment insurance, SUI, you'll need to enter your specific rate. Number 3, running payroll and generating liabilities. When you run payroll in QuickBooks, it automatically calculates all the necessary tax withholdings from employee paychecks and your employer contributions. QuickBooks then tracks these amounts as payroll liabilities, money you owe to tax agencies. Number 4, paying and filing your taxes. If you chose Automate Taxes and Forms, QuickBooks will handle the payments and filings on your behalf, sending you notifications and confirmations. Your main role is to ensure sufficient funds are in your linked bank account. If you chose I'll initiate payments and filings using QuickBooks, go to the Taxes section, then Payroll Tax. Under Payments, you'll see a list of taxes due. Select the tax you want to pay and click Pay. Review the details, confirm the bank account and payment date, and then click ePay. Under Filings, you'll find the forms due, like Form 941, State Unemployment Forms, and W-2s. Select the form you need to file and click File. Review the pre-filled form. Ensure everything is correct, and then click Submit or e-file. QuickBooks will send the form electronically. If you chose I'll pay and file the right agencies through their website or by mail, QuickBooks will still generate reports that show you the information needed for your forms. You'll then manually enter this information onto the agency's website or print the forms from QuickBooks to mail them. Number 5, annual forms, W-2s, and W-3s. At the end of the year, QuickBooks helps you prepare W-2s for your employees and a W-3 transmittal form for the Social Security Administration, SSA. If you have automated filings enabled, QuickBooks will typically handle the e-filing of W-2s for you. If you're doing it yourself, you'll be able to preview and print these forms from QuickBooks to distribute to employees and mail to the SSA. Important tip: always review your payroll tax forms and payments carefully before submitting or allowing QuickBooks to submit them. Even with automation, it's crucial to double-check that all figures, dates, and employee information are accurate. Incorrect filings can lead to penalties and headaches. Run payroll reports regularly, like the Payroll Tax Liability Report or Payroll Summary Report, to reconcile your records with what QuickBooks has calculated. If anything seems off, investigate and correct it immediately. By understanding these steps and leveraging QuickBooks features, you can confidently manage your payroll tax obligations, even as a beginner.